Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I have done a number of videos on how to boost your immune system, what foods, herbs, and supplements are good for that. I have also done a video in particular about how to keep your immunity up while being under the lockdown. In this video, I'm going to summarize all what I have said and give you a very brief list of foods that you should be consuming in order to keep your immunity up. We're entering into a different phase. Now that the lockdowns are being eased around the world and life is regaining some semblance of normalcy, our immune system is going to be put to a test. Instead of panicking or getting anxious about going out, focus on your immune system. If your immune system is strong, even if you do catch the virus, your body will be able to fight it off. And that is the good news. The recovery rate of COVID-19 is quite high. And if you eat well, keep yourself hydrated, maintain proper hygiene, take supplements, and incorporate these foods that I'm going to share with you in your diet, you will be just fine. In order to keep it short and sweet, I'm going to very briefly list the foods that I recommend. If you would like to see how they help your immunity, please refer to my other videos where I have discussed it in more detail. So here we go. First and foremost, garlic. Garlic should be your number one friend. Just a reminder, and I have discussed it in my video on how to use garlic for blood pressure, cut the garlic at least 10 minutes before you cook it in order to activate all the good enzymes and add it to your food towards the end of cooking so the enzymes are not entirely killed off by heat. And if you can, take garlic raw, just like onion, which is our next food. There are many stories attributed to onion's healing abilities during the Black Plague, and there is a lot of truth to many of them. Onion has amazing immunity boosting properties. Again, onion is beneficial whether you eat it raw or cooked, but of course raw is better. And it's fairly simple. You can make a salad, cut up the onion, add some lemon juice, some salt, some black pepper, some cilantro or parsley, whatever herb you have handy, and there you go, it's delicious. We cannot talk about roots and leave ginger out. Ginger has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. You want to incorporate ginger as much as possible. I recommend using it in your drinks, like tea, ginger-infused water, or even in your juices. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best gifts you can give your immune system. It is amazing for your overall health, and not only is it great for your immune system, it protects you from chronic illnesses ranging from Alzheimer's to cancer. It is easy to incorporate in your diet. You can add it to curries or drink turmeric milk with honey. It is also known as the golden milk. I will provide the recipe in the intro of this video. I prefer to drink turmeric tea prepared with ginger, cumin, and lemon. I will provide recipe for that in the intro section as well, so make sure you check that out. The next is cinnamon. Cinnamon has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. It's also great for your lungs health and overall immune system. So make sure you add cinnamon to your diet, whether it's in the form of teas or to your food. Cloves. Cloves are amazing. I cannot tell you how beneficial cloves are for your overall well-being, but especially for your respiratory health and also your immune system. I would recommend drinking clove-infused water or adding cloves to your herbal teas. You can simply soak 10 to 12 cloves in a quart of water and let it infuse overnight or 24 hours preferably, and drink from it as much as possible. But drink it for a week and then take a break, because you don't want to overwhelm your system, because cloves and cinnamon are both very potent herbs. Next is lemon. We know lemon is a good source of vitamin C, and vitamin C is a key nutrient for immune support. Lemons promote hydration and they are anti-inflammatory. Both of these properties make it ideal food at a time we are faced with a respiratory infection like COVID-19. Please make sure to use fresh lemon juice, not bottled. You can freeze lemon or lime when they're in season and then use that frozen fruit as needed. But if you can get fresh, that is always preferable. The next is Manuka honey, or raw wild organic honey. I have done a video on Manuka honey, so please make sure you check it out. Manuka honey has amazing therapeutic benefits. It is great for immune support, and it also has antimicrobial properties. You want to take 2 tablespoons of Manuka honey during the day at a time like now to give your body the ability to fight any possible infection if you're exposed. If you don't have access to Manuka honey, then any wild or raw organic honey would do. Moringa. Moringa has amazing therapeutic benefits for your overall health, especially your immune system. Try to incorporate moringa in your diet on a daily basis. If you have access to fresh leaves, that's amazing. But if you don't, you can use moringa powder, dried moringa leaves, or moringa tea. I prefer to use moringa leaves in my smoothie or green juices, but you can add them to your diet any way you like. Teas. Teas have amazing health benefits. Lavender, linden or tilia, vervain, chamomile, and lemon balm are all great teas for calming the body and relaxing the mind. We need to relax our mind and body because stress has detrimental effects on our immune system. No matter how well you eat or what supplements you take, if you are stressed, your immune system will be affected. You can take 2 to 3 cups of these teas throughout the day. Along with that, keep taking vitamin D, vitamin C, and zinc supplements. Drink up to 10 cups of water a day. Spend some time in sunlight daily. Take nature walks. Work out. Do deep breathing. Gargle with salt water, especially when you come back from outside and before bedtime. Continue to do saline inhalation daily and add spearmint or eucalyptus essential oils to it. You can add other essential oils which are good for respiratory health as well. It's not a big deal. We need to be mindful about our mental, emotional, and physical health. This is not the time to neglect yourself. Center yourself. Focus on yourself. Think positive thoughts. Reach out to help others. The more we give, the more fulfilled we become. As boxing legend Muhammad Ali once said, don't count the days, make the days count. Please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you shortly. Take care. Bye-bye.